So this is Kevin Bartlett with Air Force One Air Conditioning. We're just doing a little maintenance today. Right now, just checking the refrigerant charge. We got my wireless Testo gauges on here. These are real handy. Saves a lot of weight and space for carrying around. So right now we're looking at pretty good pressures. The subcool's 12 degrees, superheat 17 degrees. That's about right where it's supposed to be for a 410A unit. So our refrigerant's good today. So we're just going to shut the power off real quick and check the capacitor. We got our disconnect here. And if you hear that noise, sounds like we got a bad contactor. Contactor's not making real good, so we'll have to get the customer a price on replacing that. Whenever you hear that loud buzzing, that's usually an indication of a bad contactor. So we're just going to check the capacitor real quick. Alright. So this is Fernando. He's my helper today. He's another tech at Air Force One. He's working on the other unit. Let's see. So first we're going to check the fan side of the capacitor. And let's see. We got 5 on that. It's rated for 5, so that's good. And then we're going to check the Herm side, which is for your compressor. Basically all a capacitor is, it's kind of like a battery for your motor. Your motor won't start if the capacitor is weak or low. And that's a 45. And I believe it is rated for a 45. Yeah, it's a 45.5, so the capacitor's good. And then the other thing we're going to do is take the top off and wash the coils out, and we should be good to go.